Hey guys, today I have another cute party treat to show you guys that you don't have to bake, no cooking involved, nothing, but these are the cutest things for your kids' Christmas party, for your family gatherings, or again, just a cute snack for you and your kids to make together. So we're going to make melting snowman Oreo truffles or Oreo balls. Let me show you how I do it. Just like the last little snowman snack I showed y'all, I got this idea off of Pinterest years ago. So the first thing you're going to do is get your food processor. Mine is as old as the hills, but it still works. And I've got 36 sandwich Oreos in here, and I'm going to pulse them up till they're real fine. All right, now once you have them chopped up real fine, you're going to add in an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And then you're going to mix that all together in your food processor. All right, once your cream cheese has been incorporated into your Oreos, I'm going to get you a cookie sheet and put some parchment paper down. And now what you're going to do is roll these out into little balls and put them on your parchment paper. I have this little cookie scoop I'm going to try to use just to kind of help make them even. Okay guys, so here are my Oreo balls. You do want to make sure that you are balling them up real tight. Like some of them, if they feel kind of crumbly, just kind of squeeze it together a little bit and roll it out. Because if it's crumbly, those crumbs are going to get off into your coating and it's not going to be as pretty. So you do want to make sure they are nice and moist and rolled up tight. I'm going to pop these into the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes while I'm getting everything else together. While your Oreo balls are freezing, you do want to get some vanilla melting wafers and melt those in the microwave according to package directions. All right, so I've got mine all melted. Now what you're going to do is take your Oreo ball, your little cold Oreo ball, and I'm going to drop it down in my chocolate. And I'm going to carefully let me see if y'all can see that. You want to do it very carefully because you don't want to break up your Oreo balls, because then you'll get the crumbs all in your white chocolate and it won't be as pretty. But you can kind of get the idea of where we're going with the little melted snowman. When you put it on that cookie sheet, you see how that white chocolate just kind of pools at the bottom. Looks like it's kind of melting. So I'm going to finish dipping these in this chocolate. Then I'm going to put this back in the freezer for about another 20 or 30 minutes. Okay guys, so my Oreo balls been covered. They've been chilling in the freezer for 15-20 minutes. The vanilla on them has hardened. So now what I'm going to do, you see how that kind of has pooled down there? So now I want to try to make this into a little melting snowman. So the first thing we're going to do is take a mini Oreo and I'm going to put some of this vanilla melting stuff that I have left over. I'm going to put that on top of his head like that for a little hat. Now I'm going to take some writing icing and I'm going to draw him on a little face. Just like that, y'all. Look how cute that is. I could not find orange, so I'm just using red for his nose. But y'all, look how cute that is. All right, so I'm going to make up a few more and then I'll show you. Okay, guys. Y'all, look at that. How adorable are those? You want to keep those in the refrigerator, until you're ready to serve them or take them to the party, because that chocolate on the outside will melt. If you don't like the snowman part, I will try to insert a picture here, if I can figure out how to do it, of some that I made a couple of years ago, and all I did was drizzle some colored icing on top to make it Christmassy looking. I've also done these with peppermint Oreos, the candy cane Oreos, to make them minty. You could just dip them in the white chocolate and put some little Christmas sprinkles on it. You can do these or you can just take them like that. They are always a huge hit everywhere I've taken them. People have always asked me how I made them, and I'm like, it's the simplest thing. I hope y'all try this. Let me know if you do. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.